Welcome to section 2 of module 4. In this section we're going to be looking at saving a TUFXP chart workspace. In the previous section, section 1, I showed you how to set up the initial chart within the MT4 using the TUFXP custom indicator that actually pipes through the data into TUFXP Charts. If you don't save a workspace, you don't have to go through that initial setup as long as the custom indicator is still applied to the price chart. So let me just show you where we finished off in section 1 when we actually created our first price chart. So I'm just going to double click on the TUFXP Charts icon again. This will launch both the TUFXP Charts software along with the MetaTrader software as well. However, this time, as you just saw that flash on the screen there, the alert that shows the custom indicator being applied. We just click OK, minimize the chart, and that's all we have to do now. The USD and the GBP both have the custom indicator applied to the chart, so we don't need to be concerned anymore. We can just concentrate on creating price charts within the TUFXP charting software. So to do this, just to recap, we come up to File, New Chart. We're going to pick GBP, USD. I do like the longer time frames, the 30-minute one there, and here we have the price chart created. So what if I want to, let's say, add the volume onto this price chart and a couple of other indicators which I will cover in more detail in other videos. Let's just apply a set of moving averages there, and let's click apply. We'll just close this off, and let's say this is a 30-minute price chart that I want to have a set of averages applied to. So what I'm going to do is to come up to File, Save Workspace, and because I'm saving this for the first time, I can just use the Save Workspace, and I'm just going to call this GBP, and I'm going to put average there, and also let's just put the time frame as well, 30-min chart with averages. So once I've typed in the name in the file name box there, I'm just going to left click and save. So if I close the chart there, I don't have any charts open now. I now have 2 or 3 ways that I can actually reopen this chart. The first is to come up to File, Open Workspace. There's the saved chart there, GBP 30-min with averages. Highlight it and then left click to open, and the chart reloads with the moving averages. I'm just going to close this again, and the second method is to come up to File, down to Recent Workspaces, and you can see down in the bottom here is the last one that I opened, the GBP 30-min. So I can left click on this as well, and this will also relaunch that saved workspace as well. So very simple and very effective there. A shortcut to actually open by using the recent workspaces. If I wanted to add in another chart, let's just say for argument's sake I wanted to bring in the euro as well, and we're going to create a 5-minute of this chart. I can do that too, and now I want to save both of these charts. Let's just put the volume on this as well, and then come into settings. Let's put the averages on this one as well. Let's say it's a different trading strategy that I've developed here. So what I would do now is come up to File, and I will do Save As. So I can save this as a separate one. I could actually highlight this as well and actually put in just past the min there, just click in and put EUR for euro and 5-min as well with the averages, so they both got averages, and then click Save. So now I can close both of these. If I want to open reload this worksheet, go into recent worksheets. Whoops, let's just try that again. Down to recent workspaces and then down to the bottom, and you should see both of those charts reload. So there's the first with the USD and then the euro there as well. If I wanted to go back to the previous one, I can come up to Open Workspace, where you will see there are two saved now, with just the pound on its own and the one with the euro. So if I just wanted to have a look at the pound, I could do that as well. So just highlight it and then click open, and you should see the pound chart appear there in the save workspace without the euro. Okay, so this completes section 2 of module 4. In this section we've looked at saving a workspace. We've also looked at using the save as option to save multiple charts and adding them to an existing workspace, and also using the recent list to load charts quickly without having to go back to the file, open, highlighting and then clicking the open button. That saves a few mouse clicks and also gets the chart loaded quicker. If you have any questions regarding this matter, then please do contact a member of the support team. They will be only too pleased to assist where necessary.